In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a full-stack Vibecode website with Next.js, Tailwind, Node, and PostgreSQL. We'll move from a blank folder to a working styled site with clear checkpoints so you always know what to do next. First, decide your stack. You can go front-end only with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Tailwind, or pick a static site generator like Gatsby, Astro, or a static Next.js build. For full stack features and speed, I recommend Next.js with Tailwind and a Node API, backed by PostgreSQL. This gives you fast development, built-in routing, and a great styling workflow. Create your project folder by running the usual commands to make and enter a new directory named for your site. With the folder ready, start Claude code. If you use a terminal-based workflow, simply launch the Claude interface you prefer. Next, give Claude the master prompt. Tell it to act as a senior full-stack web developer, explain that you'll vibe code a website step by step, and specify the stack: Next.js, Tailwind, a Node backend, and PostgreSQL. List the features you need: home, about, contact form, blog or articles, and optionally user auth and an admin panel. Emphasize that it should build step by step, not skip steps, and ask before major decisions. This keeps you in control while leveraging Claude's speed. Have Claude propose the architecture, the folder structure, primary pages, and API routes. When it looks good, approve it with a clear "proceed with this architecture." Now ask Claude to scaffold the website. It should generate the project structure and base files including pages, components, styles, an API directory, package.json, and tailwind.config.js. With that in place, move on to building core pages. Create a polished home page with a hero and a clear call to action, an about page with team info and images, a working contact form wired to your backend API, and a blog with a listing page and single article pages. Build your backend next. Add Node API routes for contact form submissions, blog post CRUD, and if needed, user authentication. Then style everything with Tailwind CS, making sure layouts are responsive on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Run the site locally by installing dependencies and starting the dev server. Then open your browser to